Hello everyone, this is me Sharon. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'll be showing you how to crochet this very cute mini tulips fridge magnet. Perfect for beginners. These little beauties are a great way to brighten up your kitchen and impress your friends with your crafting skills. So for this project, I'll be using some scrap yarns, but you can use whatever yarn that you want. The yarn weight of this one is number 4 or a medium weight, and I have used 3.5mm crochet hook. So this is a great way to make use of your scrap yarns if you have a lot, and make sure that you are using the same yarn weight to achieve the same sizes of the mini tulips. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials. The magnets used to be my son's toys, but now that he doesn't want it or like it anymore, I have thought of what projects to make with it, and I think this is a perfect time to show you what I did, and I'm gonna show you now how to do it. So first we're going to make a magic ring. After that we're going to chain 1 to bring up the yarn, and then we're going to work 4 single crochets. So we will be starting the project with the stem of our mini tulip. We will be working 1 single crochet into each stitch around for 3 more times. So that is going to make the stem of our mini tulip, and we are going to work in spirals, so meaning we're not gonna close off every round. So we will continuously work single crochets after working 4 single crochet. Then for round 2 we'll continue working 1 single crochet into each stitch around. By the way, if you see an extra hand, that is actually my son. He has special needs, and he is always beside me while I am filming. When we reach round 5, we're going to work an increase. So we still have 4 single crochets. Now we're going to work 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet into the next, and we will repeat this 2 times. So at the end of this round we should have a total of 6 single crochets. So we're going to finish off the last stitch of round 5 with another color of yarn, and this is going to be your chosen color for the color of tulip or the color B. We will be inserting the color B or the purple yarn, and then we're going to cut off the green and tie the knot twice to secure. We will start with the first stitch of round 6. So we should have 2 single crochet into each stitch. So make sure to add a stitch marker so you know where to start the next round. So for each of those 6 single crochets we should have 2 single crochet. So we are working an increase into each stitch around. Once done for round 7, we will be working 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet into the second stitch. So do not forget to add a stitch marker to the first stitch so that you will know where to end this round. Our final increase will be on round 8. So this will be our final increase. We're going to work 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, and then the increase would be into every 3rd stitch around. So by the end of this round, we should have a total of 24 single crochets. Once done, for rounds 9 to 12, we're just going to work 1 single crochet into each stitch around. And by the end of this round, we should have 24 single crochets in total. Now, depending on the yarn weight that you're using, it may be a bit short. So you can add a few more rounds if you want. In my case, I have some other color of yarn that look smaller even if they have the same yarn weight, so I added a few rounds to make sure that they have the same height. So once done, we're just going to cut off the yarn, and you will see how I close off the top part of our tulip. And of course, I'm going to put the magnet ball inside first. So next is we're going to make a leaf. We will start by making a slip knot, and then we're gonna chain 15, and then after chaining 15, we're going to start working the stitches to make the leaf for this mini tulip. So on the second chain from the hook, we will work 1 single crochet, and then into the next stitch we're going to work 1/2 double crochet. Now into each of the next 10 chains, we're going to work 1 double crochet into each. Once done, we're going to work 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet into the next, and then into the very last chain we're gonna work 3 single crochets. This is very easy because once we're done with this side, we're just going to mirror what we did. So we're gonna work 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet into the next, and then 1 double crochet into each of the next 10 stitches. Once done, we're gonna work 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, and then 1 slip stitch, and then we're gonna chain 1 and cut off the yarn. We're going to leave quite long tail for sewing because we're going to attach it to the mini tulip that we just made. And that's how you make the mini tulip fridge magnet. It's very easy, and when I made this one, I did about 6 pieces, so it was very easy to make, and I'm sure you're gonna have fun doing this one. It's also a great gift idea for those who are wanting to buy magnets. I think you can buy a lot online at your favorite online shopping site. And as you can see, it's on my fridge right now and it sticks well. Really love this project right now, so don't forget to tag me on my IG if you made one. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.